2/5 of Sophia's postcards were equal to 7/9 of Jonas's postcards. After Sophia, so again, this is not so far as Sophia. After Sophia gave 2/7 of her postcards to Jonas, and Jonas received 6 postcards from his brother. Sophia had 5/11 of the total number of postcards. How many postcards did Jonas have in the end? Now, the very first statement is an equal concept statement, which we can write 2/5 of Sophia is equals to 7/9 of Jonas. And we'll need to make the numerator the same, 2 and 7. What is the common multiple between 2 and 7? That will be 14. Alright, so we'll have 14/35 of Sophia is equals to 14/18 of Jonas. Which then tells us, friends, that at the start, Sophia has 35 units of postcards and Jonas 18 units of postcards. So in the before case, Sophia is to Jonas will be 35 is to 18. This is before. Alright, so after Sophia gave 2/7 of her postcards. Now, so what is 2/7 of means times Sophia's postcards? So that will be divided by 7, that will be 10. Okay, so take away 10 units for Sophia. And Sophia in the end will have 25 units. Where is these 10 units going to? It is going to Jonas. Okay, so for Jonas, we have to add another 10 units. Why? Because that 10 units from Sophia given to Jonas. So Jonas should have 28 units in the end, plus another 6 postcards. Okay, now we know that Sophia had 5/11 of the total number of postcards right now. Okay, but over here it's not 5 units, it's actually 25 units. So what we do is this: 5/11, we ensure that Sophia indeed has that 25 units there out of a total of 55 units. Okay, so between Sophia and Jonas, the total should actually be 55 units. But over here, we only have 25 and 28, which definitely will not add up to 55 units. Why is that so? Because Jonas actually has that 6 extra postcards. So 55 minus 25 minus 28. And that will give us 2 units. Alright, so friends, that 2 units will be equals to that 6 postcards that Jonas received from his brother, which is 6 postcards here. And we can find 1 unit. 6 divided by 2, that will be 3 postcards. And we can know how many postcards did Jonas have in the end, which is 28 units plus another 6. So 28 units, 28 times 3. $84 postcards. 84 plus that 6 that he got from the brother. Final answer, 90 postcards that Jonas have in the end. Alright, so try and look at the solutions again. Try it out one more time. Even though you may not be able to get it right the first time, you can actually try it out second, third time. And that's how we truly improve ourselves in the problem sums.